Hello, good evening. Today I would like to talk about my Covishield vaccination experience. Okay, where did I take it? I took it in Vanasthalipuram Government Hospital. We were told that a day before we went and we checked and found out what is the procedure, what do they follow, how we need to get it done. So we went there a day before. We found out that by 7:30 a.m. in the morning we must go there with our Aadhaar card Xerox copies, and we should submit it there. They would note down our Aadhaar card number, name and phone number, mobile number, and give us some token, and the next they will call us back, and then we need to go at the correct time and get ourselves vaccinated. We thought they'll follow this procedure, keeping in mind that there should not be much crowding, so that there is no any no that COVID. It's like a protocol which we need to follow, where we should keep our distance of minimum 2 meters. We thought they're going to follow it, and the next day morning we went around 7:30 a.m. to Vanasthalipuram Government Hospital, which is a very clean and neat and high tech with all the best facilities area. There was a Shamayana. We waited there from 7:30. Waited and waited, and nobody came to give any tokens. So the new rule was that you have to wait there itself up till 9:30, and whoever waits up till 9:30, to them the tokens will be distributed, and then by around 10 o'clock or 10:30 they'll start giving the vaccinations, and they are supposed to vaccinate minimum 250 people per day. Beyond that they'll send them off and they'll ask them to come back the next day. We waited and waited, and we didn't have a breakfast. We just went refreshed ourselves. We just went there. We thought, as they told, we thought they're going to follow the previous procedure, but that never happened. And then we came back home. We didn't come back home, we stayed there. We took the vaccine around we waited. We got the token at around 9:30. They started distributing the tokens. In the what they did was they stamped our Aadhaar card Xerox, and they gave us some number for each person, like 20. Mine and my husband's was 94 and 95. And then around 10:30 we thought that we are going to get vaccinated, which happens as that's what they said. That's the procedure, actual procedure that happens, usually happens. And then what happened was, by the time it was 10:30 and all the nurse and all that equipment arrived, there was a new notification that today not 250 will be vaccinated, only 100 people will be vaccinated because there is shortage of vaccine. This announcement came as a blow for people who waited for a long time, who came later after us, and there was a long queue after us. They all got so worried, anxious, and they started attacking that man, that watchman, and that security guard. And by that time, what happened was, so many online booking, whoever had done their online booking for vaccination, they also came with their Aadhaar card copies with the time given to them on online. By the time the vaccination started, there was no queue. All the people rushed towards the center. Nobody was following any rules. The security guards could not, actually maintain them. Then the others who had come there, the other citizens, they themselves tried to pacify the situation, and somehow around maybe 1 o'clock or something, no, not 1, by around 12 o'clock, no, around 11:30 we got vaccinated. They followed the people who were waiting there. they were vaccinated first. Then the online people were asked to sit down and wait until these people are over with, and then the online were given vaccines. And then by the time we came back home, it was too late, and we were so scared that we might have got infected. So once we came back home, we first took shower, washed our hair, everything. Then we settled down for our regular day's work. So what happened after the vaccine for me? Actually, there was no reaction. I was fine. But once I started exerting myself, I was washing all my God's vessels as usual. Every day I wash. I was washing. I was actually putting too much pressure. Immediately my hands started aching so much, and then it spread to the whole body. And I had severe body pains. But once I had my breakfast after the vaccination, I took Dolo 650. Then again in the evening, I took Dolo 650 because I was having severe body aches and headache and everything. Then the next day morning also, I required Dolo 650. So I took 3 doses Dolo 650. Then by the next day evening, I was fine. So one whole day I suffered because I didn't follow the precaution which they had given. They had said, they had told us that don't overexert yourself. Take rest for minimum 2 days. So if you exert yourself, it's going to create this body aches and all that. Otherwise, you'll be fine. That is my experience, and I wanted to share this with you. My husband was fine. He still took one Dolo 650, but he didn't exert himself much in any work. By evening, did his exercises, usual regular light exercise as he does. He followed his regular day's pattern, so he didn't suffer. Only one dose of Dolo 650 he took, whereas I had to take three doses. So our next dose of Covishield will be on 42 days, after 42 days. Actually, before going to Vanasthalipuram Government Hospital for vaccine, we had actually thought of going to Indus Hospital because one of our friend knew some doctor there, and he suggested that hospital a month back. But when we went there, he said by the time we went there, he said the vaccines are over and you have to come the next day. So next day, instead of going that far to Kotapet to the Indus Hospital, we decided we'll go to Vanasthalipuram itself, which is close by, just 5-10 minutes from our house. Then we even tried Malakpet Yashoda Hospital. There also there was a huge crowd. We went around 10:30. They said usually around morning 9:30 they give tokens, and around 1:30 they have to wait up till 1:30 to get the vaccination. And Malakpet is also quite far away from our house, so finally we decided better to take in Vanasthalipuram itself. And it was okay. Only thing, the crowd management was awful, and we were scared that we would have got COVID infection. But they should not have this online booking and mix it up with people who come there and wait there in queue, because it's creating confusion. For online, you should keep a separate queue and separate dates and separate timings. That would be better. Actually, I shared a joke also there, and somebody said they have booked online. I said they're going to come online and give you the vaccination also. You need not come and wait here for hours together like we did. You just stay at home, and online you booked and you are coming here on time for taking your vaccine. Instead, you stay at home, they'll come home or they'll go send you your vaccine also online. I was joking because I was really frustrated.